Okay, we're on to question 31. Suppose that in experiment 2, so I'm going to come over to the right hand side, the red side, and just circle, oops, don't need that, experiment 2, so I know where to look. A trial had been performed in which TIY was 68.6 N. Alright, so we're just dealing with that one, so I'm going to pull it up and make it bigger so we can see. So it's TIY, so it's this one here, and it was 68.6. Well, I see it stops here at 658, so it means it would be down here somewhere, 68. And this is called an extrapolating question, and you'll see them, you'll definitely see one or two during the exam, and it just means they give you questions where the values are actually outside the chart or the table or whatever it is, the graph. So I'll show you how to do those ones. So we'll go back to the question. So it's 68.6, right? The mass of the cylinder in this trial would most likely have been. Right. So M is mass, and we have it in kilograms here, the mass of the cylinder. So we see at 58.8 it is 6. At 49 it is 5. We're looking at 68.6. So let me see, and at 4 it's 39. So let's just round up. So at 4 it's 40. So 4 equals 40. 5 equals 50. I'm seeing a pattern. 6 equals 58.8, which is almost 60. So I think it's, if something is about 68.6, then I think we can pretty confidently say that that would be around about 7. So that's that worked out. So the mass would be about 7, it would be down here. So I come back to the question, the left-hand side, and we see what one gives us 7. So answer A says it's less than 6, no. B says it's between 6 and 8. 7 is between 6 and 8. And during the exam, this is where I would leave it and move on to the next question. But I'm just going to look at the C and D just to make sure that those are definitely wrong. C is between 8 and 10. No, that's too large. Greater than 10, no. So the answer is B.